Do not doubt your worth. Mahalaga ka. Maaaring that's not how you feel right now. Maybe you feel so small. Perhaps people have treated you that way. Na parang may kulang parati. Na parang you're not good enough. Pero ito yung tanong ko sa'yo. Where is your self-worth rooted? Saan mo ba binabase yung halaga mo? Kung ang pagbabasihan ay ano yung sasabihin ng ibang tao, we will always fall short, no matter how good you are. Here's what I want to tell you. Base your worth on your relationship with God. Anong ibig kong sabihin? At the foundation of your worth is how God values you. Para sa Diyos, you are loved. You are important. Mahalaga ka, you're valuable. Valuable enough for God to send His only begotten Son to suffer and die for our sins so that we can be saved. So our true worth will shine. And our true worth is being a child of God. No matter what other people will say, no matter what life throws at you, doon ka kumapit na anak ka ng Diyos. And that is the highest and our most basic worth. Once you realize that, the rest follows. You will act according to your worth as a child of God, that you want to honor your Father in your speech and in your actions. And when you start with this, you will have the confidence, you will have the wisdom, and you'll be able to perform well and do your duty excellently. Kaya don't doubt your worth. Be a good steward of the value that God sees in you.